wanted to do a video on my mounting of my headlight for the new El Cheapo bike that I bought from Kmart. So this is the headlight right here, assembly. These are the tools I need. Lineman pliers, cut the wire ties, and my screwdriver. First thing I gotta do is I gotta remove this reflector. Okay, the next step you're gonna do is you're gonna take this small one instead of the big one. On my handlebars, it's pretty standard size. I'm gonna take this small one, and right here, it goes underneath it. Like this. And bring it up. Now that this is mounted, we gotta bring it up here, and we gotta mount it on here. What you wanna do is just put it on here, like so, and wrap that one around the back, and mount that. Now that it's mounted, it's pretty tight. Now we have to take these parts, and mount these right up in here. The way we're gonna do that is we're gonna keep it up high as we can, probably some up in this area. I'm gonna have this wire be on this side, like this, in this bay. Now, the battery is mounted. The cable comes on this side. You can see the Velcro strap they gave you to mount it. It's high enough up where it ain't really interfering with the cables, but it's gonna be high enough away from the engine coil. I'm gonna mount it with the wire straps now. Here's a battery coil or a battery pack. I brought the wire down. I ran a zip tie underneath. Right in here, there's like it's like a belt loop. So in case you ever had to put it on your headgear, you could put a belt through it and keep this battery pack on your waist. I put a wire tie right here because when you charge this, what I recommend, take it out. So the wire comes up. I strapped it here. I do have enough slack, so vibration, everything, it won't wear out here, it won't wear out here. These wires are very brittle. So I strapped it around top. I strapped it around the front right here. Strapped it up front right here, all the way across. That when you're just riding on the road during daytime, I always leave this undone. This is from a top view. If you're sitting on a bike, going down the road, this is how far it will stick out. If it's rain, you can just turn down. After a while, these wires will bend down, so they'll just hang. And if it's really raining and you're really worried about it, just put it in there. Put these two things in. If not, the rain's gonna go down, just wipe them off. But if you're really worried about it, just connect them like that. The light goes on, unconnect them, the light goes off. Remember how I said that green light was gonna be on? There's my driveway. Here's the light, and watch. The first one's the brightest. As you can see, this thing is like a damn motorcycle light. It really is. My son's out there, and I'll ride through the light fast. Okay. But as you can see, this thing's really bright. If you ever need any light stuff, this will be the light to have. This is middle, and then it's the lowest. It doesn't have a strobe. It's just flickering because probably the hertz and everything else. But the lowest, off. High, it's high. I mean, it's high. Middle, and low. I received my taillight, as seen right here, from eBay, well actually from China. But I wanted to show you, this is what I bought. This is how much it cost. $1.99, free shipping and handling. It has 5 different settings on it. It takes about 2.5 weeks to get it. Well, I'm gonna put this on the bike and we'll go step by step. So here's a light, the 2 batteries that you'll need for the light. They're AAAs, the brackets, mounting brackets, and a screwdriver. We're gonna remove this reflector. So what I found out was this was too wide, the bracket they gave to us. And this is a little assembly bracket they wanted to use. It was too wide to cramp down there with the bolt and everything else. So instead what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up here, I'm gonna put that right in there. If I might need to use some washers, I'm not sure yet though. This bike, I had to do a little bit of customization. There's a couple washers down there. Those little rubber ones right down in there. I put in there, tighten this thing down, but now it's stable. So if you guys use the same setup as I am, you're gonna have to do that. The next step we're gonna do is we're gonna place the batteries And the light itself, took it apart by, you can slip like a quarter or something in there. Take this lens apart, pops off. Here's that one. I said before, the AAA's, 2 of them. Turn off. And make sure the seams are all correct and lined up. You see that little sprocket, how that goes in there? Right here. Will slide right in there. Like so. It's on now. So push a little button, have taillight. Push again, blinking. Push again, strobing, dancing, I don't know. I just use it for the solid one. And take a couple of zip ties and wrap them around the back here. And the reason why, they have 2 of them, just to keep this more stable. The tail light is on, the wire straps are on. And that's what it's gonna look like going down the road. And then you have your headlight also. So I'll turn this off. See, ooh, wow. Thanks for watching. New subscribers, thank you for joining. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave me a comment below. Thank you.